Want to keep your Word documents secure? In this video, I'll show you how to add a password to protect your Word document in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Word document that you want to protect with a password. Next, click on the File tab at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu on the left, select Info. Then, click on the Protect Document option. In the drop-down menu, choose Encrypt with Password. Now, type your desired password in the box that appears and click OK. You'll be prompted to re-enter the password to confirm it. Make sure it's something you can remember. Don't forget to save your document so the password protection takes effect. Finally, test your password by closing and reopening the document. You should see a prompt to enter the password before accessing it. And that's it. Your document is now secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.